Okay, the another idea I have about the construction brake system. When you're making the house in the brake is going to get fall, because I work in construction handyman. The component of the brake make almost 1,000 years ago and never changed. The brake is like this. One of them like this. Another brake is just simple. Just a flat. In the front brake in your house or brake in the building. But it's better to make them like this. When the brake is coming in manufactory, they go like this. One side is they have a tiny empty, other side they have a pin in here. What is this pin? When they're making the brake in the machine is going to put a pin inside the brake, each brake. A right pin like this. This is the side of the brake. They're going to put a pin in here. One pin. Okay? This looks like this pin on the top. Like this. Because another brake come inside like this. And they hold in the, it's not going to break, it's going to fall. Hold in the all top on each other. It's too easy to install it, even you don't need to adjust it in the job. It's so fast. What you're going to do, you just put your cement in here and this brake is stick together, very easy. One is going to be male, one is going to be female. Always male on the bottom, because you put some cement in here and the female got clip on the top, and this pin is going inside this, what's the name in English, like this? Alley? I don't know.